Thanks for allowing us to service your flooring needs. As a reminder, we have 5 divisions. So if you need flooring in the future, whether it's carpet, tile, luxury vinyl planks, or hardwood insulation, we would love to help you make improvements to your home. Here are a few tips to keep your newly refinished floors looking beautiful. After sanding and refinishing of your floors, wait 72 hours before you bring furniture onto the new floors. It's best to place felt pads under the legs of the furniture. This will help protect your floors since it reduces the touch points between the furniture and the floors. If a piece of furniture is slightly out of position, do not slide it across the floor. Pick it up and place exactly where you want it so you don't scratch the fresh finish. For area rugs, please wait 10 days before putting the rugs back into position on your floor. Definitely use a thick felt pad under the rug so the stringers don't leave an impression in the finish. Why 10 days? Even though the finish is dry to the touch, it's still curing from the bottom up, and the airflow helps accelerate the curing time. For the first month, dry sweep only with a microfiber mop. After the first month, clean with an alcohol-based cleaner like Bona. Other products will leave a residue and can cloud the finish. And only use liquids on your floors once a month. Too much water isn't good for hardwood floors. And don't use a steamer on your hardwood floors. Since the floors are still curing, maintain constant airflow to keep the air circulating. It's a good idea to replace your air filter immediately again in 2 weeks. This will help keep your heating and air system running smoothly, and the fresh air will help remove any fumes. And again, thank you for allowing Colonial Floors, Virginia to work in your home.